So I never showed you guys my marks from a burnout. Here they are. Good old time. Should do it now. What's up, everybody? Show 3.4 here, bringing you another vlog. Today, I am actually pretty excited about today because I've been doing so much to this truck that doesn't really add power, and the truck's still stock as it is. You know, I've done little things like the muffler delete and the tires and the leveling kit and the, you know, just cosmetic stuff, the LEDs and $800 brakes, drilled-sided calipers, drilled-sided rotors, red powder-coated calipers, you know, a $1,200 rear end to get myself an thru track, blah blah. Nothing has been actually giving it power, and it's, I'm not mad about it because I still had to do it the right way. Like I still wanted to get my, like, the truck performed good enough stock for what I needed it to do right away, and I want to get this thing leveled, I want to get the tires on it so it looks what I want, and then get the sound. The sound's always the number one. Always get that done. So I did the muffler delete. You can make Hemi sound like the best it can ever sound for just 150, 200 bucks for just getting the muffler deleted. So we did that, and then, you know, we had to do the rear end because I had a one wheel peel, and I'm getting married here in 3 months, so I had to do a burnout for my wedding, and then my brakes were low, so I needed to do brakes, and then next thing on the list is headers. But before I can do headers, I need to get a tune, because when you get headers, you should get a tune. And the tune, I figured I can do now, that way, because headers, I'll explain why later. Headers aren't going to come for a little bit yet, and there's reasons why, but I can do the tune now because that'll still give me some power. You know, on 89, 93, I'm going to get a 93 tune for the track, and I can still go to the track again before I get headers and have some improvement. There's no point in going to the track without improvement. So now that I figured, well, I'm going to do the tune first, you know, that way I can have some improvement, and that's what we're going to do today, boys. I contacted Jay Greene. I've been talking to Jay Greene for a while, and he's been super helpful, even through his busy time. You know, there's a lot of YouTubers, especially getting ready for race season. Just the YouTubers I watch in general are always, you know, up his ass about, hey, I need, like, this broke, or I need this, or I just got this, and he's been pretty busy. So I'm very thankful that he took his time for me to do this for me. He gave me a 89 tune for the street. That's what I'm going to run all the time. And then he gave me a 93 tune, which I have 93 in the truck actually right now, and we're gonna see how it rips on 93 for the street. And then he gave me a 93 tune for the strip. So we're gonna download all those. Well, actually, we're probably just gonna do the 93 tune today, kind of show you the difference. And then when we go to the track, hopefully in April, with all this Corona crap going on, we might not be able to go to the track. But the goal is to go in April, and if we go in April, then I'll be showing you the results from a track standpoint. But I am going to show you the difference between a 0 to 60 now and a 0 to 60 with the Jay Greene tune. So enough of my babbling. It's been 3 minutes of me babbling already. I'm on the way to Ryan's. Ryan has HP tuners, and that's the file we sent Jay Greene, for the stock file. So he updated the stock file on HP tuners, and we're going to download these tunes. Also, I know this really sucks, and I was trying to make this video. Today's Thursday. I was trying to make this video all week, but with Ryan had some computer issues on Tuesday. I got the tunes on Tuesday. Ryan had some computer issues on Tuesday. Yesterday he couldn't do it, and today we can both do it, but it's starting to just now rain. It's gonna rain for the next like 3 days. So I'm rushing there. We're gonna upload this tune. It should only take, you know, 10 minutes. We gotta throw it on the battery charger and upload it. It should only take about 10 minutes. I'm hoping we can still get some dry ground to do some launches and actually be able to see the benefits of this tune today. I mean, you guys will see it in this video regardless, but I want to see it today. And this truck already spins enough in the rain. I don't want to just, you know, because it's wet and there's no weight back there, and let alone putting a 93 tune to it, get some like 30, 40 more horse out of it. We're not going to grip at all. So hopefully we beat this rain. We're almost there. Well, it looks like we beat Ryan to his house from work, which I know he's been a little busy, but dude, this coronavirus, it's killing dealerships. Like, if you guys know how a dealership works, you guys will understand this. I have made, today is Thursday, this week, I've made less than 20 hours. Which, if you know how mechanics and flat rate work, that sucks. And no one's coming in No one's making appointments. No one's buying or selling cars because nobody wants to go outside. And it sucks. So I didn't do anything really all day. Messed with my truck a little bit. And I kind of just left. So I did beat him here. So we're just gonna wait on him. Of course, it's starting to rain. Hopefully we can get the sucker on before the roads get too wet to be able to launch. We'll see. In case any of you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2012 Hemi Ram. Just did the brakes on her. Just put an Eaton True Track in the rear end. I got a video on that. And I do race it. I've raced it once. But this is, I'm about ready to put some power to it. This is finally it. All right, first things first, we gotta throw this sucker on the battery charger, and then we'll get tuning. All right, plugged in. Let's do this. So I'll show you in here what he's doing on there. Oh, great, now I'm infected. Green. So he sent me 89, 93, and then this one's a 93 race. And this will do nothing on here, but that's what we're downloading right now. All right, so Ryan had to download the newest beta of HP Tuners. We got it going. We kind of looked at everything to see what he did, and so far it's looking pretty good. So once he's ready, I'm gonna turn this key on and we're gonna flash it.
I just want to save. Have another
Stock file.
Yeah, stock file just in case.
Just in case we brick this thing. That would not be good.
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen, yeah. I'll take off the charger and let's go drive it. All right, let's drive this thing. That sucks that it's raining, but I'm gonna let it just everything flow for a minute and then I'll let her eat. I like it going into third. Now I won't have to shift it myself into third at the track.
It doesn't sound as stupid anymore either.
Okay, I can't floor it like right now. Maybe I can. Spin it.
That axle hop a lot. Wheel hop a lot.
75 already. Yep, let's see what it goes to. Whoa, baby.
That shift was good. Feels like it pulls better up top.
Wow, yeah, it does. I don't think, I mean, I know this isn't the race tune, but I don't think I'll even ever hit fourth racing now. Oh, I was at 105 and it shifted into third.
Dude, we went
fourth.
We went like a half mile.
Which that is what he said. He said standard, you know, kind of an average 93 tune. You can get anywhere from 30 to 35 horse, give or take, you know.
Level 2.
Oh yeah, you can tell right away that it didn't have to. You didn't have to wait 4 seconds for the wide open to come in.
Power enrichment.
This feels pretty good, not gonna lie.
You gonna go 4-wheel drive launch?
I'm thinking about it.
Go down this road here.
I'm gonna try a 4-wheel drive launch here. Whoa! Grief.
That launched a lot better.
That's 60 already.
That 1-2 shift's a lot better. That 1-2 shift and that launch is a lot better.
Yeah, this is gonna be a pretty good improvement at the track, I will say. I'm excited for that. If we can go, we're not gonna be able to go 4th and 5th anymore.
Yeah, this isn't the close for like.
All right, so we loaded the 89 Street on it just because I am probably gonna run 89. I don't want to put 26 gallons of 93 in this thing all the time. Okay, we were kind of curious to see if it sounded any different, which it probably we didn't think it would. Hold this, it does pop a little more.
If I don't.
I can punch it and let off, and it doesn't.
Yeah, it's because it's dumping fuel when you do that. You gotta like get it snappy. You gotta like get it snappy because what it's doing is when you step on the gas,
every time you go up and down,
it's adding fuel, then it's burning it after the fact.
Ooh, I like it. I didn't even know I was gonna get that.
You're gonna be the guy that's gonna buy crackle tunes now.
No, I don't buy. I want it to actually crackle legit and not. Oh, I bought a burble tune. The guy did take his running boards off.
Yeah.
They didn't see that.
I got stickers on there now.
Looks a lot better.
And take my door moldings off.
You gotta get rid of that. Are you keeping Silverado?
Yeah,
I think it'll look cool with it on.
The door looks too plain without the Silverado.
Get rid of that, and then whenever he gets a new one of these,
yeah, new top. This will make it look so much different because it looks like your truck is almost stubby. I think it's idling kind of.
I don't think it's idling high.
It's high, but I think it's only at like 600 still. That's 7.
That's kind of high for a V8, really. Because like mine idles at like 500. Maybe it'll come down once. Well, it's hot now.
Go hit the throttle once. I want to hear it back here. It's because I never hear it from back here, so.
I know this going on right now. I know.
All right, guys. So, I know we kind of didn't do much in the driving because I am out of gas. I just kind of put some 93 in this so we could do the 93 street tune. It does now, if you guys are watching this and want to think about getting a J Greene tune and you have a 6-speed truck, you may or may not know this already, but your truck, unless you physically tell it to go into 3rd gear, it will not go into 3rd gear. And he did that. He made it go into 3rd gear, just even cruising now, which is awesome. I like that. Because 2nd to 4th was always an annoying jump. It would either rev out 2nd way too long, or it would drop into 4th way too soon, and it would feel confused and very hesitant. Like right here, that's 3rd. It feels good, and it actually feels like it's kind of punching more, so that's cool too. He did a little bit of training work. The truck now shifts over 6,000 RPM, which is awesome. Get a lot more higher, get a lot more up top, and it like when we did the 93 tune, when we were ripping it, speed limiter's now taken off, obviously, and I was still at 100 miles an hour in 3rd gear. And back when I raced my truck in August stock, I was at 87. I finished the quarter mile at 87 mile an hour in 4th, well into 4th gear. So that is awesome. That's just a street tune. We didn't even try the race tune because it's raining out, and I kind of want to leave it for a surprise when I go to the track. But it feels really good. The question is this worth $450? Absolutely, because it is $450 up front, but it's free for every single tune you do after that. You know, if you put an intake on or you put headers on, until you do a cam, nitrous, or boost. If you do any power adders, that's when he'll charge again. But otherwise, you do any bolt-ons, you know, bigger throttle body, bigger intake, intake manifold, headers, bolt-on, stuff like that, that's all free upgraded tuning. So it is worth it. That's why I said, you know, I want to do headers for this truck, but you need a tune with that, and I figured I'm going to do the tune first. Take care of, I'm going to get a little extra into this truck so I can go to the track and see some more performance. So I know I'm just babbling on, but this is some of the answers that I was kind of looking for before I did this, and I want to share it with you guys. But otherwise, as the truck feels, the pedal is better, but it's not too bad. You know, that's just leaning into it, and it climbs pretty good. Like I said, I'm on 89 now too, which you only really get maybe 20 horse extra out of 89, and it performs like it should. It's performing to its top quality of what it should be performing to, and I like it. It's very good. J Greene did a pretty good job, and I want to thank him again for taking the time out of his busy schedule to tune my stock truck. I will definitely be, you know, tuning with him in the future when I do, you know, the intake and headers and all that kind of stuff. And I want to get a cam by the end of this year. We'll see if that happens, but I want to get a cam by the end of this year and have the Sigma in 12. So we'll see. It'll be cool. But I'm going to go to the gas station, and then I will kind of finish this video after that. All right, guys. So J Greene tune, totally worth it. I got an 89 tune and a 93 because, like I was saying, it's $450 up front right away, and then after that everything's free. So I was like, wait, can you give me like 2 street tunes, like 193, 189? And he was able to hook me up with that. Definitely worth it. Like I was saying in the beginning of the video, headers are coming, but they're not going to be coming for a little bit yet, and I
next video I will kind of be showing you why, everything like that. But stay tuned for the build, still coming. We're supposed to go racing April, like the middle of April, but now with all this corona crap going on, which everyone knows about, pretty much all the tracks are shut down. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to go beginning of April now. Might have to wait till the end of April. So we'll see. Just stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.